Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I am gonna be creating this makeup look. You can wear this makeup look for any occasion or for any festivals. It's a very easy and elegant looking makeup look. Alright, now if you are interested, then please keep on watching. I have already moisturized my face and I am using this primer from Smashbox Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. I want to last my makeup for a very long time, so I am using here a primer for this festive makeup look. Next for foundation, I am using here the NARS foundation. It's a quite high coverage foundation and I am mixing it with Sugar Liquid Highlighter. This is a festive makeup look, so I want my makeup to be shiny and glossy, so I am mixing the highlighter. Next for concealer, I am using here the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. This is a quite high coverage concealer. I don't have such dark circles though. This is a festive makeup look, so I want a little bit more coverage. I am using here a damp sponge to blend this out. Next, to set my base makeup, I am using here the M.A.C Studio Fix Compact Powder in the shade of NC30. I absolutely love this compact powder, it will give you high coverage. Next for contouring and bronzing, I am using here the Benefit Hoola bronzer. This is my absolute favorite bronzer. It's such a beautiful warm bronzer that will make your face contour and sizzled. Next is time for blush. I am using here the K Beauty blush in the shade of Coral Charm. For eyeshadow, I am taking here the e.l.f. bite size eyeshadow palette. It has some beautiful nude, warm and glitter shades. It's a daytime makeup look, so I am going to keep my eyeshadow very simple and minimal. Next, I am using this matte black eyeliner from the brand Plum Goodness. It's a daytime makeup look, so I'm not gonna use falsies. I'm using here the Maybelline Sky High Mascara. It will give your lashes an instant lift, as you can see. Moving on to the lipstick, I'm using here the Huda Beauty Bullet Matte Lipstick in the shade of Bachelorette. It's a pretty pink fuchsia color, as you can see, and it will suit all type of skin tones. Next for highlighter, I am using here the Wet n Wild highlighter. It's a beautiful champagne color that will suit all type of skin tones. I am applying this highlighter on the high points of my face. Next, to set my brows, I am using this e.l.f. brow pencil. Now to set all my makeup, I am using here a setting spray. This is from Faces Canada Ultime Pro Setting Spray. It will remove the excess powder from my face. So yeah, this is the final makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. It's a daytime makeup look, so I have kept my eye look simple and minimal. Let me know if you love this makeup look and this saree in the comment box below. I will leave all the product details in the description box below. So yeah, on that note, I'm gonna signing off now and I'll see you soon guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye.